You don't need 21 days to fix your life. Not 90, not even 7. One day is enough. One moment when you stop lying to yourself and finally do what needs to be done. The truth isn't time, it's honesty. You've been hiding behind distractions, excuses, and noise. Today, that ends. Today, I'm giving you a 24-hour system to reset your mind, your energy, and your direction. This isn't motivation, this is battle. Step 1. Radical self-isolation. Pick a day. Turn everything off. Phone, internet, social media, notifications, just you and your thoughts. Most people aren't broken, they're overstimulated. Their brains have no space to think or breathe. Silence is the fastest path to clarity. If you can't spend a day alone with yourself, you're avoiding truth, not boredom. Step 2. The mirror ritual. Stand in front of a mirror. No music, no affirmations. 5 minutes of stillness. Ask yourself, who am I pretending to be? Ask it honestly. That sting in your chest is your real self waking up. For too long, you've performed for others. Today, that act ends. Today, honesty begins. Step 3. Destroy to rebuild. Grab a notebook. Write down 3 things: habits killing your potential, places draining your energy, lies you tell to fit in. Now, destroy it. Tear it, burn it, shred it. Writing brings awareness. Destroying it tells your subconscious the old version of you dies today. The version that waited, that made excuses, that person is gone. Step 4. The warrior hour. Set a 60-minute timer. 20 minutes, push your body. Run, do push-ups, take a cold shower. Push limits. 20 minutes, dump your mind. Write everything, no filter. 20 minutes, sit in silence. Just breathe, just exist. Do this and something will shift. Control, presence, power. Step 5. The 9 p.m. rule. At 9 p.m., stand in front of the mirror. Say thank you for showing up. Not perfection, not progress, just presence. A full day of honesty and intensity. That's rare. You faced yourself. You didn't run, hide, or lie. You're not broken. You're buried under comfort, fear, and noise. One day like this can change your life, not because you became someone new, but because you stopped pretending. One day, one choice, one honest, focused, intense day. That's all it takes.